Humuna daily, thank you kong Lord kasi sagot ning lagi kong pipray kayo.
Okay, so ito ang sikreto ng isang matagumpay na pagsasama. Alam niyo po, walang libro, walang seminar patungkol sa mag-asawa kung paano ito magiging masaya at maunlad kung hindi lamang po ang salita ng Diyos. A very simple instruction from the Word of God. Napakasimpleng instruction po sa salita ng Diyos. Ang sabi ng banal na kasulatan, babae, pasakop ka sa iyong asawa.
My love, as I look into your eyes, my heart is overflowing with love and joy. From this moment forward, I promise you this. I promise to be your safe space, a haven where you can be as vulnerable as you can be. You can lean on me in times of fear and hardships.
Ganun pala, pagka nagsasalita lang, paano pa kaya mamayan ito?
Mamayan ito. Aray.
Sa lahat ng pagsubok, maging matatag kayo.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember, you are still my baby girl. And will always be. I love you so much, ever since you were conceived. To my son-in-law Joshua, I must admit noong first time pa lang na kilala kita was when Janine told me about you. That day was not really a good impression. I'm sorry to say, but that was it. It was the time na nakita ko nasaktan ng aking anak. I did not show her that it hurt me more than it did to her. Most especially when I witnessed her crying. Pero nakita ko kay Janine kung gaano siya kasaya being with you. At kinalimutan ko ang aking maling impression sa iyo. It turns out na ikaw ay isang mabuting tao. And now here you are, married to my daughter full of love.
From this moment forward, I promise you this. I promise to be your safe space, a haven where you can be as vulnerable as you can be. You can lean on me in times of fear and hardships. You have opened my world to promises that don't break and flowers that won't rot. You have shown me that love should be calm and that butterflies can flutter inside us with no ache. The growth can be shared and not stolen. You have shown me what love is supposed to feel like.
Thank you, King Gailab, King 6 years, 8 months. Ngayon na mag-step ta na kay next chapter to. I vow to you na mas luguran da ka po hanggang king tumata mo. At ika na yung maging priority ko.
I vow to choose you every day, from making you a cup of coffee every morning to kissing you every night and everything in between, to never waver in my excitement whenever I see you.
Congrats. Deserve mo yun. Deserve mo yung maging masaya.
Ngayon na may asawa na saan mo na masulod ka lagi. Char.
Decision making is the most difficult thing to do when you're an indecisive person. But today, I have never been more sure of my decision to be with you. So lastly, I vow to love you and cherish you. I will treasure your heart and treat you like a precious jewel. Your love is a beacon of light in my life. I love you.